Certain states offer you a choice between exemptions that are state exemptions and federal exemptions. California does not allow a choice of the federal exemptions. There are two sets of California exemptions. So luckily there are two different sets. I'll call them System 1 and System 2. You must choose one or the other. You can't use both. System 1 is used primarily for people who have equity in a home, a homestead exemption. It would be important to look at the System 1 exemptions. If you have home equity or money in the bank or have valuables, possibly System 2 would work depending on how much equity you have in the home. Depending on the type of assets you have and the amount of assets you have, you need to compare both exemptions and not just choose one or the other. It's important to look at both sets of exemptions. The California exemption system was last updated on April 1st, 2013. It's set to be adjusted again on April 1st, 2016. Usually when they adjust the exemptions, they're taking into consideration such things as inflation, cost of homes, those kind of things. So in 16 they will adjust again. System 1 has a homestead exemption of $75,000 for an individual, $100,000 for a married couple. $175,000 can also be exempted in certain situations where debtors are 55 and older but have low income. You still may be able to get this $175,000 exemption. Other exemptions which need to be considered are vehicle exemptions, household items and personal effects, jewelry, personal injury or wrongful death, lawsuits or claims that you or someone may have, cemetery and burial plots. Retirement benefits are normally 100% exempted. Tools of the trade are normally exempted. The exemptions allowed in System 2 are a bit different. For example, the homestead exemption in System 2 exemptions allows for $25,575. But if you do not use the home equity exemption of $25,575, you can use it for other things. I like to refer to it as the wild card exemption. So if you don't have equity in a home, you can apply that almost $26,000 to anything else you may own, whether it's cash, jewelry, or other personal items that may have value. Please feel free to contact County Law Center. Our office can help you. We're in Riverside County, San Diego County, and we're more than happy to answer your questions and give you a free consultation.